All right, so now we need to take this huge chord that has 7 notes in it and make it playable, make it practical for the guitar. We talked about how the major 13 sharp 11 chord was 1, 3, 5, and then you had the 7, the 9 sharp 11, and the 13. So the important tones, the color tones, are up there in that B minor 7 chord. And remember way back when I said you can delete the 5 and you can delete the 3, because if I don't need that 3 and that 5 in there. It would get muddy anyway. And when we get to dominant chords, you're going to see a very important principle about how you voice things. So I look at this and I want to play a major 13, sharp 11. What am I going to play over the C bass? B minor 7 voicings. Let's hear it. First I'll play this one. Now that's beautiful because it's a close voicing. If I want to use some other close voicings, sounds like a piano, doesn't it? Those were all minor 7 voicings. You've got them in your diagrams. Now I'm going to play the drop 2 voicings of B minor 7. Now watch what I'm going to do. Hopefully you'll recognize it. I'm going to do the same thing again, playing the drop 2 voicings. You've learned some moves. You remember way back when we were talking about you had a minor 7 chord, right? And if you raise the flatted third a whole step, you had the 4th, so you end up with 7 sus 4 voicings. Right? I can plug those in right here. That's the cool thing about how things are connected, the interconnections between these moves, because you're just adding another voice in there. You're throwing the 3 in there. Because when you play the B minor 7, the D, which is the flatted third of the B minor 7, is the 9 of the C. I know I just went fast, but I can't help myself. What happens when I use this little move? I'll call it a move. Okay? I know that move. What happens if I plug it in here? I'm bringing the 3 in. So do you see how everything you learn is going to interconnect? So make sure you look for those treasures.